Hey YouTube, today we're going to be installing VMware on Ubuntu Server 18.04. VMware is virtualization software that enables you to have multiple machines running within a host OS. As you can see, our host OS has a Ubuntu desktop installed. One of my personal favorites for organizing different desktops with different virtual machines. In a future video, we'll be setting up an Ubuntu server and installing a GUI with the Task Cell Manager. The first thing we're going to need to do is navigate to VMware's website and download the required software. Link will be in the description below. You can use a different version by clicking on the drop-down menu in the upper left corner. Once you've selected your version, click on Go to Downloads. On this page, we'll find both download links for the Windows version and the Linux version. Click the Linux link, wait for it to download, and then go ahead and close out of the browser. Now we need to navigate to the folder where the program's saved. In this case, it's the Downloads folder. Right-click on the background of the folder, go down to Actions, and click Open Terminal here. We need to run our downloaded software in a shell command with elevated privileges. To do this, we'll need to type sudo space sh space followed by your file name, including the .bundle. Hit enter, type in your password, and then hit enter again. While we're still in the terminal, we'll need to install Build Essential. Use the command sudo space apt space update to update your package information. Then install Build Essential with the command sudo space apt space install space build-essential. Once it has completed, we can exit out of the terminal and delete the downloaded file. Now we're ready to launch VMware for the first time. Go to the launcher, go to Applications, go to System, and scroll down to the bottom where you will see Run a Virtual Machine. I want to add this to my task manager for easy future access. We can do this by right-clicking and selecting Pin to Task Manager. Now you can start VMware. Before you can start using VMware, you have to accept 2 license agreements. Decide if you want automatic updates, and decide if you want to send diagnostic data for their improvement program. On the final page of setup, we will have to select our user license. VMware is free for non-commercial users, so it is perfect for a home lab, file storage, or game servers at home. Click Finish and VMware will finish the setup. You may be asked for your password. Exit the welcome information screen and VMware is now ready to run virtual machines. Sometimes machines that require more than a couple gigabytes of RAM can throw errors. Game servers are notorious for this. If you have memory issues or want to make sure that VMware is utilizing all of the RAM you assign it, follow these next steps. Close out of VMware and open the terminal so that we can modify the config file. Opening the config file with the nano editor, we can add the 2 lines needed. We can use the command sudo space nano space /etc/vmware/config to open VMware's config file in the nano editor. I will put the 2 lines that we need to add to the config in the description below. Once they are added to the bottom, save with Ctrl-O and hit Enter to confirm the file name. Exit Nano with Ctrl-X. Close out of the terminal, and VMware is ready to run your virtual machines. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you want to catch our future videos, subscribe below.